In this video, I'll show you the best way to keep AutoStart Stop disabled in your Kia Soul using the Autostop Eliminator. This device installs into the back of the AutoStart Stop switch assembly located to the left of the steering wheel. For the installation, you'll only need a pair of small cutting pliers to trim the excess from a zip tie. We'll begin by removing the side trim panel. Next, locate the connector on the back of the AutoStart Stop switch assembly. Press down on the connector latch and disconnect the vehicle harness from the switch assembly. Connect the Autostop Eliminator to the vehicle harness, then connect the Autostop Eliminator to the switch assembly. Use the included zip tie to secure the electronics housing as shown. Trim the excess from the zip tie. Starting on the side of the door seal, reattach the side trim panel. Now that the device is installed, the setting for AutoStart Stop will be remembered and automatically restored. To demonstrate this functionality, we start the vehicle and ensure that AutoStart Stop is off using the off indicator on the AutoStart Stop switch. Next, we'll restart the vehicle to show the off preference for AutoStart Stop is automatically restored. Now we'll turn AutoStart Stop back on to show the on setting is also remembered. After restarting, we see AutoStart Stop is allowed to remain on. We'll go ahead and turn AutoStart Stop back off and then restart one last time. It's that easy to keep AutoStart Stop disabled in your Kia Soul.